Hi guys, so let's cook mixed vegetable for the supper tonight. So ayan, nagisa na natin yung tomato, garlic, and onions. Let's add beef cubes now with alamang. So yung alamang pala guys, ininit ko yung beef cubes, tapos sinalo ko na siya dyan para talaga yung lasa niya sa buong sa lahat ng vegetables.
3 minutes is done. I'm going to finish it with my shrimp na niluto ko kahapon. Tira siya. So,
halo-haluin lang natin siya. Ganyan, kalahati.
ayan, kulang pa yata ng another 2 minutes.
Voila! Voila! My pinakbet. I think it's pinakbet. Pinakbet style. Pure vegetable. Nah, not pure vegetable now because I put the leftover shrimp leftover from yesterday. Oh, that's nice. Word for the day, for today. What's the shrimp? What's the French word of shrimp? Answer, crevet. Yay! French word for today.
Voila, voila, pinakbet with shrimp. Soya. Oh. Parisan ko ng rice for sure para mas masarap. The shrimp is from my buttered shrimp yesterday. So I just put it there. That's the leftover. And let's eat. Bon appetit.